Welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. The topic of the current video is Health Insurance Part 2. Part 2, wherein we'll cover protection plans, also known as riders or health plans. In Part 1, we have covered indemnity-based plans, which are traditional Mediclaim type of plans. Protection plans are plans wherein the insurance company pays you a lump sum on meeting a certain criteria as per the plan. These plans serve as add-ons to your indemnity-based plans. In these plans, as you get a lump sum on claim, there is no question of another claim being made during the policy term, which happens in case of indemnity plans. The first type of protection plans are accident covers. They have different level of protection. That is, you can buy accident covers for death, for permanent total disability due to limb loss, for permanent partial disability, that is loss of hearing, loss of eyesight, etc. For temporary partial disability, that is fractured leg, etc. All of this resulting due to accident. Or you can also buy an accident cover for medical expenses due to accident. Accident covers should be bought as add-on to your life or indemnity based health plans. These plans are beneficial for people who do excessive traveling or work at places which are prone to accident like construction sites, etc. The next type of protection plans are critical illness plans. These plans cover high expenditure, low probability critical illness like kidney failure, heart attack, cancer, etc. These plans pay a lump sum on establishment of critical illness, which may be utilized for treatment of the illness, can compensate for loss of income, etc. Some critical illness plans also cover accidental death or total or partial disability due to accident. Some critical illness plans are designed for specific groups like women, senior citizens, etc., which could be beneficial than the regular ones. Critical illness plans should be bought as add-ons to your life or indemnity-based health plans. Critical illness plan could be useful for people who have a family history of critical illnesses or for people who have a lifestyle which could lead to such an ailment. The cover also supports loss of income due to critical illness. The next type of protection plans are hospitalization cash plans. These plans provide a fixed sum for each day you are admitted in the hospital, irrespective of what was the treatment cost, what was the room rent, etc. There could be some expenses which remain out of the ambit of your base health plan and you would have to pay them out of your own pocket. In that scenario, hospitalization cash plans can be of great help. And what's more, you can claim your expenses under both hospitalization cash plan as well as Mediclaim plan. Hospitalization cash plans should be an add-on to your base health plan. Hospitalization cash plans are useful as they compensate for income loss when you are admitted to the hospital. Also, they cover expenses that have gone out of your own pocket. If the actual expenses can be covered with the help of hospitalization cash plans, it could save you your non-claim bonus on your basic health insurance. Also, in case of ICU hospitalization or in case of major or minor surgeries, the daily benefit that you get is multiplied n times depending upon the surgery or ICU hospitalization. The next type of protection plan is a top-up plan. A regular plan reimburses your hospital bills up to a certain limit, that is, the sum insured. But a top-up plan is triggered only after a certain threshold is reached. Let's say you get hospitalized and the total expenses are 3 lakh rupees. You have a top-up plan with a threshold of 2 lakh rupees. You also have a group insurance with a cover of 2 lakh rupees provided by your employer. Now, how do you settle these 3 lakh rupees? First, you would have to utilize your Mediclaim, that is your group insurance, to reimburse the first 2 lakh rupees of your final bill, and the remaining 1 lakh rupee would now be reimbursed through the top-up plan. Now, when is this plan useful? Let's say you already have a cover of 5 lakh rupees, but there's high medical inflation. You want to increase the cover. Buying a new plan or increasing the cover of your existing plan would be more expensive compared to a top-up plan. A top-up plan would just cost you 1/3 compared to a separate plan if you were to buy it to increase your cover. But do remember, it has to be an add-on to your indemnity-based plan and not a replacement. Top-up plans cover only single incidents of hospitalization. For example, let's say there were 2 instances in a policy year when you were admitted to the hospital. First time, the expenses were 3 lakh rupees, and in the second time, it were 2 lakh rupees. And let's say your threshold is 3 lakh rupees. So in none of the incidences, your top-up plan would be triggered. It has to be a single incidence when the threshold is reached for you to utilize your top-up plan. Let's say your illness relapses after a certain duration. You would need to check your policy what is termed as single illness. There would be a certain duration that is specified, let's say 45 days or 60 days, within which if your illness relapses would be considered to be a single incidence. Otherwise, it would be considered to be fresh illness. These plans are useful to increase your cover due to rising medical expenditure. So today we saw protection plans like accident cover, critical illness plan, hospitalization cash plan and top-up plan in detail. Most of these plans can be bought with health insurance as well as life insurance. But with life insurance, these would be fixed payouts and may not compensate in full for the cause. So it is better to buy the riders with health insurance plans. In our next video, we are going to cover terms related to health insurance. Also, we are going to cover points to remember while buying health insurance. Friends, thanks for watching the current video. Watch this space for more such topics. Until then, happy investing. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below our videos. And if you like our videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.